Welcome back to another Printing Center USA tutorial. Today we're going to be saving print-ready files from Google Slides and Google Docs. These Google options for creating professional print-ready files are not encouraged, but can be done. Canva, as well as our online design tool, are two free alternatives that will give you better print quality and will reduce printing errors. For those who do use Slides or Google Docs, let's get into it. To begin, open your project in Google Slides or Google Docs. Then first we're going to adjust the dimensions by clicking File, Page Setup. Then we're going to click this drop down and click Custom. And we're going to put in our dimensions for our projects, adding 0.125 inch bleed on all sides. So for instance, if our project is 9 by 6 inches, we should input 9.25 by 6.25 inches for the dimensions and click apply. This process is the same for both Google Slides and Google Docs. So now we're going to add a design here. You'll notice how the design hangs over the edge. You can see the final outcome by going to File and Print Preview. Here you will see a Google proof of your design. Once you're ready to save your print-ready files, you're going to click File, Print. Then here at the top under Printer, you're going to want to scroll through until you see Save as PDF. Then you're going to click Save at the bottom. Now you have print-ready files from Google Slides or Google Docs on your desktop, ready to be uploaded and professionally printed. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to leave your questions in the comments. Stay tuned for the next tutorial, and until then, happy printing.
Get online, pick a design, print in no time.